Hello everyone, today we will explore the Handwritten OCR Invoice Digitization in Odoo ERP Using AI, a powerful tool that automates data entry by extracting text from scanned documents and converting it into structured records within Odoo. It supports Gemini AI and OpenAI Vision language models, reducing manual effort and improving accuracy. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Welcome to this walkthrough of our Odoo module, which is designed to extract handwritten text from invoices using AI-based automation. Today I will demonstrate this using two sample invoices, Webkul Invoice 1.pdf, which contains a Dell laptop, 8 GB RAM, an HP mouse, and an HP keyboard, and Webkul Invoice 2.pdf, which includes an LG monitor, a 512 GB SSD, and a Sony webcam. To begin, I will enter my credentials and tap the Login button. I will now land on the dashboard. From here, I will navigate to the invoicing section. Next, I will tap the AI button to begin the extraction process. I will select my first invoice, which is Webkul Invoice 1.pdf. In the preview, I can see 3 line items: Dell laptop, 8 GB RAM, HP mouse, and HP keyboard. Now I will tap the Extract button. The module runs an AI-powered OCR engine specifically tuned for handwritten text and returns the structured data in JSON format. This JSON includes the invoice number, customer name, billing address, and line items. Let's verify. Our first line item is a Dell laptop 8 GB RAM, quantity 1, and the price is 56,000 rupees, which we can verify in the physical invoice as well. Then we have an HP mouse, quantity 1, total 240 rupees. Again, we can confirm that the HP mouse is listed at 240 rupees. Lastly, the third line item is an HP keyboard, quantity 1, with a total of 310 rupees, which is also reflected in the physical invoice. Now, let's move on to our second invoice. Again, we need to select the invoice. This time, it's Webkul Invoice 2.pdf. I select the invoice, and in the preview, I can see LG monitor, SSD 512 GB, and Sony webcam. To extract, I will tap the Extract button again. The data is now written in JSON format. It includes all required fields such as invoice number, billing details, and line items. Let's cross-check our line items again. First, we have an LG monitor, quantity 1, with a total of 11,000 rupees. Then the second line item is SSD 512 GB, quantity 1, total 3,600 rupees. Finally, the third line item is a Sony webcam, quantity 1, with a total of 1,800 rupees. Now, I will tap on Create Record. A prompt confirms that the record has been created successfully. To view this, I click on the View Record button. Here, I can see all the extracted details neatly structured. The invoice includes 3 items as LG monitor price 11,000 rupees, quantity 1. Then second line item, we have SSD 512 GB, quantity 1 price 3,600 rupees, and third line item Sony webcam, quantity 1, and the price is 1,800 rupees, which adds up to 16,400 rupees, and additionally, we have a tax of 15%, so the total becomes 18,860 rupees. If we are satisfied with the calculation, I will tap on the Confirm button. The system will now generate our invoice number in a structured format. And that's how effortlessly the Odoo module lets us extract handwritten invoice data and convert it into a structured, usable format with just a few taps. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.